In this video,
we will learn how to delete all mods from GTA 5. In Grand Theft Auto 5, deleting all the mods can be extremely simple and you do not need to remove every mod file separately. Just some files that run the mods can be deleted in order to delete all the mods, and in order to do that, firstly you need to head into the installation directory of Grand Theft Auto 5. In order to do that, open up your Epic Games or Steam, whatever launcher you're using. After that, you need to click on the three dots on the right side of your game. From here, head to the Manage tab. Under the Installation tab, a folder option will appear. You need to just left click on it to head to the install directory of Grand Theft Auto 5. Now, in Grand Theft Auto 5, most of the mods run on script hook V. So by removing the script hook V files, you can essentially remove every mod from your game. In order to do that, firstly you need to delete the dinput8 file, which is a DLL file. After that, scroll down until you find the script vdll. You can also delete it. Now scroll down at the bottom of the game. From here you need to delete xinput1-4.dll. Now everything is done. After deleting all these files, you can open up your Grand Theft Auto game, and every mod should stop working at this point of time. After that, when the game loads, all the mods in the game should be disabled and you can easily go into the story mode or online mode in Grand Theft Auto 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.